Hi, sixth graders. I'm going to go over with you guys today in the videos that I'll be sending to you how to do everything from class for yesterday since we had some tech issues, and then from class today because we had some more tech issues. And I also realized, because you guys are really smart and you inboxed me, that when I was telling you what pages to do yesterday, I gave you the wrong ones because my brain was fried. So I'm so sorry about that. All these technology problems have my brain in a million different places, but we're going to figure it out. If you did the pages that I told you yesterday, you're a rock star, but you didn't actually have to do those ones. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so we head into modules like always. And this week, of course, we are in week 10. So just in case you're new to my class or still getting used to Canvas, what you will do once you click that is you will scroll on down to week 10, and that will be all the assignments that we are working on, So again, week 7, week 8, week 9, we've done everything for those. Please remember, though, if you do have any late work from week 9, that you can still submit that up until this Sunday. Okay, so let my computer take a couple more seconds, apparently, so that we can load and scroll down. But for week 10, the things that we should have been working on are pages 95, 96, 97, and 98. Okay, so that's what we should be working on, and not the pages that I incorrectly told you guys yesterday. Sorry about that. Okay, so again, scrolling on down here, you can also see that it says session 1 boxes and bullets. That's for our writing that we're going to be doing, but I'm not going to have you guys do that today because I want you to be in a live session with me so that it will make sense. Okay, so go ahead and click on where it says pages 95 and 96 right here, and we're going to go over those together. So click on this, and then we will go ahead and work on that together. Give me 1 second. All right, crew. So I went ahead and I opened up that assignment, pages 95 and 96, which is lesson 10. And then I opened it up with DocHub. So let's take a look at that. So this one is about determining word meanings. And there's 3 kinds of meanings that we're going to look at. There's figurative meaning, connotative meaning, and technical meaning. So let's take a look at what this book page says. Think about the lyrics to your favorite song. What pictures or images do they bring to mind? How do the words make you feel? Think about all those things. Picture them in your head. Writers use words in different ways depending on their purpose. They might use words with a figurative meaning that is different from their literal or usual meaning. They might use words with a technical meaning when writing about a specific subject area like music. And sometimes writers choose words with a positive or negative connotative meaning to show how they feel about a topic. You can figure out an author's intended meaning by thinking about the word's context or the text that comes before and after it. So if you guys are thinking like me here, you're thinking there's a lot of bold-faced words in here, so we definitely have some underlining or some highlighting to do, right? So I like to use my highlighter tool that's up here on DocHub, and I like to take a look at these. So if something has a figurative meaning that we're talking about, we're saying that it's different from the usual meaning. It's different from the literal meaning, right? So when some people say, oh, I'm dying in here because they're so hot, right? They're not literally dying, because if they were, I'd be like 911, right? But they're figuratively dying because they're like, oh, I'm so hot, it's like I'm dying of heat, right? That's what they mean. That's a figurative meaning. Now, there's also a technical meaning to the word, and it's usually what it actually means in that specific subject area, like music, right? So, for example, if I were to say that the action was crescendoing, if I said that in normal conversation, that would mean that the action's getting bigger and bigger, right? But in music, the technical meaning of that is to gradually get louder, right? So that word has a meaning in one way that's figurative, and then a meaning in a technical sense, like music. In the next video, I'm going to explain that a little bit more. So hang on in the next few seconds for the next video. Peace.